This is the Yampa Valley in the morning. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's about 10 after 6 or so. 23rd of June. We're gonna have crystal clear weather today. We're walking all the way out to the Flat Tops, that place in the background that you can see. And we're gonna show you some amazing footage today and some incredible fish as we go fishing with Steve Henderson from Steamboat Fly Fisher on the Flat Tops.
Up here on a hike into a high country lake. One of those places, again, I really encourage people to grab a map of their national forest and look at a blue spot, look at a blue line, go explore. This is one of those places you have to go explore. There's plenty of places around the country to do some fishing. We're going to be walking up into a beautiful high country lake. It's mid-June right now, end of June. Still some snow up in the mountains. We've been walking through a little bit of snow on the way. Flowers are coming out. It's going to be a great day on the water. Enjoy the day with us.
The Flat Tops Wilderness Area in Colorado is the second largest in the state. And the landscape is inviting and amazing, with abrupt breaks in the basalt lava flows of the high White River Plateau. They mark the edge of the escarpment, while a large area of gorgeous subalpine meadows rise above the cliffs. The open landscape of the wilderness makes hiking easily accessible, and there are over 100 miles of trails. The plateau is a flat dome of strata topped with lava. There are roughly 100 miles of fishable streams and approximately 110 ponds and lakes. After Arthur Carhart's 1919 visit to the Flat Tops, it prompted him to be the first U.S. Forest Service official to initiate a plea for wilderness preservation. Fly fishing with the guides in the Flat Tops Wilderness Area of northwest Colorado, home to the largest concentration of Colorado River cutthroat trout. Steve Henderson, your host and guide, is here to tell you more about how he plans to bring a few to the net.
What we're going to do next is just kind of walk around the lake, see what we can see, spot some fish. This is really one of those areas that we need to look for fish that we're going to fish for. These two fish right here, there he is, are coming up just a little bit. And one's now cruising the shoreline directly behind you. Don't move, it's right behind you. And missed that shot. A little indicator moved, but I think it was just the fly settling underneath it. There's one. It's beautiful. Look at the colors on this fish. Colorado River cutthroat trout, native to Colorado, and they don't get any prettier than this. This cold alpine water, cold lakes, they just have the most vibrant of colors. Absolutely beautiful. Color on that gill plate, the red. That can't be duplicated anywhere else except in a fish like that. That's beautiful. So when you walk for 2 hours and you climb uphill forever, this is what you get rewarded with. A fish that's just absolutely beautiful. Okay, we'll let that one go. And there you go. That was worth it. Come on up, pick your own lake, find it, fish it, have fun. I know I am.